Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 12,775 rands a coin. The present cost range, 12E543 13,317. The earlier day close, 12E9 and 91. The change was 216, 166%. Opposite rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at 34E4 to 97 rands. Exorbitant cost 34E4 and 97, while low cost 29E5 27. They found the middle value of cost 30.25 and 68. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 31,749. Change for August 8%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 31,749 rands. Excessive cost 38,703, while low cost 31,749. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,593. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,71. Change for September 13.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 30,671 rands. Excessive cost 36,71, while low cost 30,694. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,010. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 33,004. Change for October 8%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 33,004 rands. Excessive cost 30,641, while low cost 31,673. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,794. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 34,057. Change for November 3.2%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 30,4057 rands. Excessive cost 41,164, while low cost 34,057. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,937. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 38,471. Change for December 13%. Bitcoin cash figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 38,471 rands. Excessive cost 38,471, while low cost 31,730. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,698. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 30,4118. Change for January 11.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 30,4018 rands. Excessive cost 30,7090, while low cost 30,22 and 38. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,45 and 28. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 34,664. Change for February 6%. Bitcoin cash figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 34,664 rands. Excessive cost 43,25, while low cost 30,664. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,141. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 40,210. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 48,210 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,706, while low cost 38,856. They found the middle value of cost 41,388. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 41,781. Change for April 3.9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at 41,781 rands. Excessive cost 43,616, while low cost 30,710. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 41,018. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 40,763. Change for May 4%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at 40,763 rands. Exorbitant cost 40,763, while low cost 30,43 and 78. They found the middle value of cost 38 and 2 and 18. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 30,69 and 66. Change for June 9.3%. Bitcoin cash figure for July 2025. Initially cost at 30,966 rands. Excessive cost 41,148, while low cost 35,764. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,084. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 38,456. Change for July 40%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 38,456 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,732, while low cost 38,456. The found the middle value of cost 40,313. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 44,609. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin cash estimate for September 2025. To start with, cost at 44,609 rands. Exorbitant cost 48,490, while low cost 40,2146. The found the middle value of cost 45,141. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 45,318. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 45,318 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,318, while low cost 38,899. The found the middle value of cost 40,2841. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 41,827. Change for October 7%. Bitcoin cash figure for November 2025. Initially cost at 41,827 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,349, while low cost 30,7677. The found the middle value of cost 48,1842. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 45,13. Change for November 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at 45,13 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,998, while low cost 45,13. The found the middle value of cost 43,471. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 40,4858. Change for December 7%. Bitcoin cash estimate for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 40,4858 rands. Exorbitant cost 40,4858, while low cost 35,519. The found the middle value of cost 48,857. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 38,193. Change for January 14.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 38,193 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,405, while low cost 38,193. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,2024. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 40,304. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 40,304 rands. Excessive cost 48,164, while low cost 41,862. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,836.